If you want to start your business, then this video is for you. Before we move forward, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you subscribed. Thank you so much. Okay, so what is the foremost important thing that you need to start your new business? That is a very creative and unique idea. Once you have a very creative idea, after that you go into the market, meet with the people and tell them about your idea, and meet with the people who are already doing that business. Ask them how their business is going, and ask them how you can start your business, and you ask them that how they started their business, and also search on the net about those people who are doing the business in the same field. Definitely, whatever business you are going to start, somebody is already doing something in that business. So you can take ideas from, you must have to go to the people, meet with them and ask them. It's very important to search the market and see the market, what is going in the market, in that particular market where you want to start your business, where you are gonna compete. You must know about that market's up and down and everything about your business. So first, go and meet with the people and ask them about their business, and share your idea with them, and they will give you suggestions. Also search on the net about your idea, and get all this knowledge and accumulate all this knowledge, and then take a pencil and paper and make a proper plan of your business. Whatever your business want to do, whatever business you want to do, make a proper plan. Okay, that how much money you needed, and where you will start your business, which is the right place to start your business, and what is your right customer, and all these things. Make a proper plan. Okay, once your plan is made, then it's come to execute your plan. So for executing your plan, most of the time people say that we don't have money to start the business. So here I want to give the example of Jack Ma. When he started his business, he also started from the zero. He didn't have so much money to start his business. So guys, whether you take the example of Jack Ma or you take the example of Jeff Bezos, today they are the most you can say the most successful entrepreneurs, most successful businessmen in the world. But when they started, they didn't have so much money to start their business. So it's not necessary to have money in your pocket to start your business. What is important is idea. What is important is your knowledge that you accumulate from everywhere about your business. And third thing is your plan. And now when time come to execute your plan, don't worry about the money. As much, whether you have a very small amount of money, you can start your business with a small amount of money. Once you have started, you will start to earn money, and you can whatever money is you're earning, how much money you are earning, you can put that money back into your business, and in this way you can grow your business. As much as your business start to grow, you can use your earned money from your business into your business again, so that in this way you can enhance your business and improve your business. So in this way, definitely when you start a new business, it takes time to grow. So don't be so anxious and don't be so impatient that your business is not growing. It will take its time, and with the passage of time you will see that your business will grow, and with your consistent efforts, one day you will become a good and good and successful entrepreneur and a businessman. So this was today's video. I hope it would be helpful for you. If you think it was helpful for you, please tell me in the comment and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every new video I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mariam signing off from Victory for Champions. Bye bye.